Urgent Techful. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2020 Apple Watch SE. So, and this is my sister's. So, let's open the bands first. Do the bands first. These are blue bands. They're sports bands.
You need some help? Do you need some help?
No. Paper over. Ooh. We don't need that extra. Here's the main event.
Ready? 3,
Two, 1. Here.
3. I'm doing some.
Oh, you broke this wheel tab. Can I at least slide on the pins?
Okay. Stop. I'm holding it.
Gee, you put that on wrong.
Yeah.
You can make on the Apple Watch option, make it upside down.
Okay.
Press the little button, make sure you don't scratch the 2020 Apple Watch SE. It's old, but who cares? Anything else came in here? Here's the charger. Wait for it. Wait for it. Huh? I need some help on that. Do we get Apple stickers?
Here is charger.
Sadly not. Sadly not.
Here's the charger.
Did
And
you do one thing?
Now we're gonna do the setup process.
Oh, USB. Not USB-C.